Why should you have a skincare journey rather than only picking up a product from the mall? Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Parul. I'm owner of Skin Ace Clinic based at Bandra West and of Skin Brilliance community for women above the age of 30. Today I'm going to talk to you about why we need a skincare journey. Have you ever seen whenever you pick up a product from the mall or by somebody's recommendation, you use it enthusiastically for a few days, but then you just leave it after a few days because it's not showing you the desired result, because that product probably is not meant for you. It's burned your time, your energy, and your mind, and you still have no result with it because you have not taken the right advice and you do not know where to place that product. You have taken it randomly, plus, you do not know how your skin journey should be. Right? What is the final goal of your skin journey? How you would you desire to have a skin journey? You've just randomly picked up a product, started using it. It's definitely not going to show you the result. Now, today we are going to tell you why we should have a skincare journey customized for you. Now, first thing is, now the goal of skincare journey is to keep your skin in good condition, make it disease free, make it cancer free, make it eczema free. Second, a good skin will always boost your confidence. Have you ever seen when you dress up well for a presentation or for a party, you always have a good confidence, like, because you know when you look good you have a different kind of feel, you have a high feel, you have a high confidence, and you present well. And that is the reason you always want your skin and hair also to be complementing how you dress up. So the more better you look, the more confidence you will have. It will boost your confidence. Third reason is, skin is the external organ, the most external and the largest organ, which is going to protect your internal you from the external environment, like sun. Now sun is falling on the skin, making your skin prone to skin cancer, sunburn, suntan. We can't protect it if you do not have a skincare regime. Also the internal environment, like changing of the hormones in the body, which keeps happening all the time, right? So internal hormones like your thyroid, you may have a vitamin deficiency, you may have a thyroid imbalance, you may also have PCOS. All of that is going to show on your skin and your hair. Any kind of occupation, if you are in an indoor AC environment office all the time, your skin is going to take the brunt. If you are a passionate mountaineer, you will have the brunt of all the external environments. Even if you are a teacher and sitting in front of a PC, that may affect your skin. If you are a gymmer, if you are a swimmer, all the occupations will have a toll on the skin and the hair. Knowing all this, we choose to ignore the skin care. Why? I just don't know. Let me tell you a few more reasons. The good skincare journey will also reduce your aging process so that you age slow. You'll keep looking radiant all through your life, how much ever possible. Right? Because aging starts at the age of 20 to 25, but it's more visible on the face by the age of 30. And that is where we still feel that, okay, I still look reasonably well, let me wait till 35, 40, where the aging process is really bad. Now that's one awareness which should come a little early, and that's why we are there to get you into the skincare routine or skincare journey much early in advance. Another reason is that habits and culture. Now we have a habit of taking something and leaving it in the way. We never feel that skincare is a part of the body care. So our habits, using something consistently, should be a part of your skin journey. Also culture. In our culture, Indian culture, we feel too much of skincare, spending too much time on skincare or maybe too much money on skincare is a vanity, is a luxury. I don't need. I'm not too much of a cream person. I'm not too much of a tablet. I don't need supplements. I'm fine with what I eat. Hello, the body is still undergoing an aging process. It's still degrading. It's still degenerating, right? So you need supplements for it, and that is why you need a good skincare journey rather than just a product which you apply and put and you expect miracles. That's never going to happen. In spite of everything, the skin is still changing with season, with time, with age. All your metabolism changes, your oil production changes, and all of that. That's why you need a good guidance for a skincare journey. Another positive point is why you should have a skincare journey, because once it's established, It's easy to maintain. And last but not the least, the wonderful point which I would want to put it as, it will show you dramatic and fantastic results if you are consistent and persistent with it. This is the motto of a good skin journey goal. This is like, you should have a disease free skin, you should have a radiant skin, you should have skin in great condition, and you should have high skin quality which exhibits in your happiness and your confidence. I hope with all of this information you will be much motivated to start your skincare journey, either with us or with anybody else, any other doctor which you connect to. So get on to it. You can connect to us even on online, on our website. Put on your query and start your skin journey today, because it's going to show you all the benefits all through your life, including your confidence, happiness, and your skin brilliance, and that will show you in your entire persona. Thank you.